Nice. Okay, QR code.
So there'll be that email will have a red button that says vouchers. You click on that and it'll let you
Thank you.
Kaya lagi. Boleh taruh sini kalau once we receive the message, tapi tadi belum ada kan. Second one.
Sorry, ini voucher sebagai kebaikan.
Oh my god. Kiri. Adventure room. Room tour. So once entrance on the right is the kids room, the bunk bed. And then we go adventure team, TV, Lego, macam-macam Lego. Ini treasure chest. Okay. Cuman belum pakai kamera. Okay. Ada. Okay, the match has been done from the first night. Sebelum nak luar. Okay. And our outside view. That one, Legoland to the Lego fence. Okay, that's it.
Oh yeah.
Hello. So Legoland has a treasure chest. So it has a password. So kita ni ada quest untuk unlock the chest. So over here we have the instruction. So it will ask how many green lizard on the floor. So this is one of it. How many bugs on the map?
I don't know.
So
I don't know.
di sini ada map Bang Bet. So you can see one here. And how many black scorpions on the floor? So we have one here, and then the last one, what's the number on the cube in your game TV cabinet? So you need to rotate all of this, and 99 nanti will show what number here, right, Amira? So once combine all those four, it will unlock the. So now we are at the treasure chest. So we treasure chest, Samira. So we're gonna try to unlock. So I think I'm not gonna spoil the number. But yeah. So let's see. Whoa.
Daddy. Oh, that's
So what's inside, Camila? It's a lanyard.
It's not let me.
So, ito pa. What's that? What's the treasure? It's Ninjago. Yay! Are you happy? Yes. And then what's that? Oh, we have another one.
That's the other one.
So the treasure chest is unlocked.
Look, that's Mia.
That's Mia. Okay.
Mia
So
died.
with that, okay. So with that, we hope you guys can try it when you check in this hotel. Okay, Mia. Bye bye.